Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Infinix Note 40 and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. To do that, open application which support long screenshot. It can be settings, Google Chrome, something what have more information than you have on the one side of screen, where we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time, and this icon to scroll. And now it's adding more information. When we have all we need, we tap on our screen. But you have a limit of long of that, and after we have it, we press done. And when we processing it, we have it in our gallery right now. To save it, we press this one. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.